Assalamualaikum. I am Suraya binti Muhammad Nazri, matric number 148571 from Group 2. Today my topic is why do we need to protect our environment? Before I begin my speech, I would like to ask all of you a question. How is the environment around you nowadays? In this speech, I will talking to you about the importance of the protecting of the environment. The term environment refers to everything that surrounds us. It can include living and non-living organisms. The environment plays an important role in our daily life. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know the impact of not taking care of the environment? Based on the Malaysia Environmental Report, a total 9,681 environmental pollution reports were received involving water, air, soil, noise and other pollution. What is your opinion about this news? Here we can see so many problems that threaten the treasure of our country, which is the environment. So each of us must take care and be aware of the importance of the environment protection to society, country and to the earth. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to persuade you why we need to protect our environment. This is because habitats of flora and fauna will be preserved. The environment that includes mountains, forests, to the ocean is a habitat for flora and fauna. Due to the growing human population from year to year, settlement development also increase. This will affect the growth of flora and fauna will lose the habitat. Also, the unplanned deforestation will destroy habitat of flora and fauna, even affecting the weather to become a hot and dry. The extinction one of them will affect the cycle of the nature. Protection of the environment are important to prevent extinction of flora and fauna. This is because we depend on the resources of the flora and fauna in the various aspects of life, especially food supply. Thus, the habitat of terrestrial and aquatic life are preserved. The environment is home to flora and fauna. Both play a role in preserving the nature and each has a chain that binds to each other. Flora and fauna is inseparable biodiversity. Secondly, environment is important for the ecosystem stability. Environmental protection can ensure the balance of the ecosystem. Preserved ecosystem will help secure the water resources. Without deforestation, it can serve as a rain catchment area. The presence of the rainwater catchment forests will naturally retain rainwater in the large quantities. The forest is complete with the flora and fauna so that the rainwater that falls can be channeled well into the river. The rainwater that falls will not be trapped, but will be channeled into the river to continue the circulation of the water. This can ensure adequate water supply for domestic and industry use. In addition, forests will help humans retain water in dams equipped with advanced technology. This situation allows us to produce hydroelectric power as an energy that is environmentally friendly, and we will be able to reduce the dependence of the fossil energy such as petrol, coal that destroy nature. In general, environmental cleanliness is a natural demand for human beings to guarantee a comfortable life. This not only ensure that human beings avoid threatening the natural change scenario, but also help human beings to have a good quality of life. Apart from that, ensuring human health is guaranteed also one of the reasons why we need to protect our environment. The importance of the caring the environment is important to humans, especially to our respiratory system. A clean environment allows us to breathe fresh air. Clean and fresh air is very important for health. Fresh and clean areas are usually filled with the greenery. Plants release oxygen into the air and allow our body to get the adequate supply of the oxygen. In addition, a clean environment allows us to enjoy comfort. Hot and dry weather caused by the rising temperature can be avoided and allow us to live a life in the good weather conditions. Through a fresh and comfortable environment as well, people can do outdoor activities and leisure without interruption that can cause feeling of lethargy anger, and discomfort. Leisure activity carried out in a clean environment will strengthen our health. With this, human health will be guaranteed. Ladies and gentlemen, here I want to conclude my speech. Why should we need to protect our environment? There are many reasons. This is the only place we have to live, and we should want to treat it with care and respect. Environmental protection is the shared responsibility of each generation so that sustainable development is maintained and the use of the natural resources can be used until the next generation. Effort to cultivate the public awareness on the importance of the environment continue to be made by the various parties in the country, such as the hygiene campaign, workshops, exhibitions, media, and the other publication of printed materials. Everything is to increase the knowledge, awareness, and the public participation to preserve the environment. Lastly, I would like to thank you to each of you for attending and hear my speech of today. Thank you.